and I'm a friend of Karadi. Now, we have had so many sessions, storytelling sessions, right from April 1st, and Karadi has been bringing you stories, new, wonderful stories every day. And you know why I like Karadi storytelling the bestest? Because when Karadi is telling the stories, he also adds a lot of sound effects and music and songs. And I really love the way he does it. You remember the other day, Nishika was telling the story of the blue jackal, how the blue jackal Chandarva was teased and bullied by his friends. Chandarva goes out, decides to leave his friends and goes out into the jungle. Goes out of the jungle, and when he reaches the jungle, outskirts of the jungle, it is very dark. And it's very dark outside. Suddenly, his heart was in his mouth. Like that. And his sharp ears perked. Bukutku! And he heard a crow. Wow! He turned back and he saw the dogs. Chandarva turned and ran. He ran from one bush to the other and other and other until he reached the village. He took a lot of breath there, but he could still hear the dogs barking. So he continued to go in from one lane of the village to the other, one house to the other. What happened? What happened? He fell into a big drum which contained the indigo dye. Now we all know what happened after that, right? We are not here to tell you the story of the blue jackal. Today, Karadi has brought for you a new story. And the name of the story is The Mustache Man. The story has been written by Priya Ramanathan and illustrated by Garima Gupta. But there's something very magical that is going to happen. There is another friend of Karadi. And this friend of Karadi actually does all the sound and music and songs and sings. He has so many instruments with him. He is like one Sakalakalakala Vallavan. And his name is Nihar Shembekar. We are not going to meet him now. Before we meet him, we are going to have the opening segment of this story called, what is it called? Yes, The Mustache Man. Can we have the video, please?
The Golden Temple Express runs between Mumbai and Amritsar every day. The train halts at 18 stations during its journey of 21 hours. But sometimes it makes an unscheduled stop for just a few minutes in the middle of the night at a station that is not marked on the map. The board at the station says Nek Gaon. Rumor has it that once upon a time, Nek Gaon was perfect. The men were clean-shaven, the children were well-behaved, the people never gossiped, the cows never wandered away, and the rooster crowed exactly at 5 every morning. Nakegaon had just one problem. Nothing ever happened there. However, if you visited Nakegaon today, you would be anything but bored. It is filled with wonderful chaos, magnificent disorder, fantastic cacophony, and cheerful confusion. Strangest still, perhaps strangest of all, is the appearance of the people. Every villager wears a mustache.
So, without much ado, I would like to introduce all of you to Nihar Shimbekar. Can we have Nihar on the screen, please? Woo! There he is. Look at his mustache.
Hello everybody. I am the mustache man in the lockdown today because all of us need to take care of these things. So I am here with my own mustache in lockdown mode.
Wonderful, Nihar.
I'm
It was
just
so
not-
mesmerizing, the
Hi,
first
guys.
segment
Hello.
that we heard.
How is everybody doing?
Well, we are all waiting to hear the story of the mustache man from you and all the music and songs.
Yes, I'm so excited actually. So everybody saw the opening sequence of our story, right? So how did you
Yeah.
like it? Do you like all
It
the
was, like,
colors and the
fantastic.
music?
What was that sound? Pa, 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 pa. What was that sound?
Oh, yes, so that is a sound which is this instrument here, which is called a kazoo. Can you see it? This is the instrument.
Kazoo. I've never heard of this instrument. What is
Yeah,
kazoo?
and it is such a beautiful instrument because you can play it with your own voice. So check it out. This is how it sounds. It sounds like a shehnai.
Oh, so beautiful. It is not, yeah, where did you get it from? This instrument.
Actually, you can get it very freely. I got it from a online site, but you can get it very freely. It's called a kazoo, Kazoo.
Oh, okay. You know, we have a story in Karadi Tales. It is called Mazoo Mazoo. So we'll do one story with only this called Kazoo Kazoo.
Only kazoo. Nice. Great. So shall we proceed to the story and the music for the story?
Yes, we are waiting for that.
So I just wanted to introduce you guys to the music aspect of stories. So till now, you guys have been hearing stories and how people tell stories. But don't you agree that a story becomes so much interesting with the music aspect of it? Did you realize that the music adds so much to the story? So
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of you children want to be writers or like storytellers. But if somebody among you wants to be a musician, then this session is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how to make music or how I make music for the story so that you can get some ideas and you can do. So if somebody is telling a story in your home, say your mom is telling a story, and you can do a background music with playing the glasses, playing the spoons, or whatever you have with you at that moment. You can just give some music so it becomes more interesting. So let me show you what I do with the story. So Narayan sir here, when he first sends me the story, he tells me, okay, this is the general idea of the story, and I'm going to take you a little closer to my computer because this is where I work.
Whoa, look at that.
This
Wow.
is my keyboard, and these are my speakers. This is my screen, and what you see here is this session. Check it out. Can you see it?
Yeah. I can see a lot of boxes and a lot of horizontal lines. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. So these are all the boxes, and I'll just give you a small example. So this is the story when it first comes to me. Like this is the very basic version of the story that I get before I do the music. Check this out.
Central Express runs between Mumbai and Amritsar every day. The train holds Oops, at 18.
So as you can see, this is
That wasn't that
Javed
Javed Jaffri's voice?
Yes, it is Javed Jaffri's voice, and he has narrated it so beautifully. So,
Hmm.
but it doesn't have anything. It is just his voice, right? So
Right.
initially, I just listen to his whole story and see what I can do. I plan it in my head first. I don't get onto the music directly. So I plan it in my head, and then I basically open many tracks. So tracks are basically musical instruments. So whatever you see here, I can play anything here. Like think of a drum, think of a flute, think of a piano, and I can play everything on my keyboard right now. Isn't that amazing? Like all the
Yeah.
instruments in the world, I have it with me here. Isn't
Wow.
that crazy?
And you have the kazoo too.
I have a kazoo too. Actually, I have this one beautiful instrument called the ukulele also. This is like a
Mhm.
small guitar which I'll be
Okay.
playing later. But yeah, so with all these instruments and tools, I basically then start experimenting. Ki what would sound good? And this was the first thing that I came for actually, Mustache Man. And I was like, let's do something with the kazoo. So this is
Very
the
nice.
first thing that actually came to me.
Mm.
So this is basically how we make music. I'll just show you something from here also. So in this, say I want to play santoor. So I have a santoor here. Can you hear? Can you hear this?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is
So
a
nice.
dulcimer or a santoor.
Hmm.
Then there is something more. Check this out.
Wow.
This is a
Yeah.
drum. It's called actually a bagal bacha. But so I have so many instruments with me. It's actually like going. It's not work actually. It's going to play. Like this is my playground, and I just go and play some instruments and have so much fun doing the music. So
Yeah.
if anybody of you wants to become a music composer when you grow up, then you should definitely consider learning this because it's so much fun. So now that I've shown you the whole like where I work, shall we go ahead with the story? Narayan sir, what do you
Yeah.
say?
Yeah. We saw in that segment how, there was a train that gets into a station and it
Yes.
comes to a place called Nekgaon. And
Yes.
all the people in the Nekgaon were so simple and nice. And apparently that was not how it was before. And they all were crazy. Right. And
Yes. Actually, it
yeah.
was ulta. Initially,
Ulta,
they
I'm
were
sorry.
very
Yeah.
nice people. And then after something magical happened with them, they became crazy. they
Oh,
became much
okay.
more fun.
Yeah. So can you play? Can
So,
you sing that music that you did for when they came into Nekgaon and all these people were really going crazy? There was a nice
oh,
piece
yes.
of
So
music I
for
heard for
that,
that.
I'll play my ukulele. I'll
Yeah.
just play something.
Wow, wow, wow. So nice. So beautiful. But with all the instruments that you added, it really sounded crazy. Now it's sounding very beautiful. But it was also sounding
I
very
know.
crazy in that,
It sounded very crazy on that. Yes.
yeah, on the cack, because you added so many instruments.
Yes.
And why did they go crazy? Why did the people of Nekgaon go so crazy?
Oh, so for that, I think we need to proceed with the story. Shall we proceed with
Yeah.
the story, guys?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let's do this. So, after the train came into Nekgaon, what happened is that off came a very weird looking man. Like his name was Mustaki, and the most weird thing about him was that he had like such long mustaches, like really long. Like
Okay.
everybody who saw him was like, how can this be? Like, how can a mustache be so big? But I guess this is my personal, yeah. Yeah, I think he never cut it. Like, since he started growing mustache, he has never cut those mustaches. So,
Okay.
he came into the village and everybody was looking at him, but nobody was actually speaking to him because he was a stranger, right? He was new to the
Yeah.
village.
Funny
So
looking
he
man. Yeah.
roamed, yeah. So he
Yeah.
roamed the village for some time and he saw and if that was the case, then it was still fine. But there was something more about Mustaki, is that he had a box in his hand. And what he used to do is he was speaking to the box. And whoever saw him was like, why is he speaking to the box? And what is this happening? No, but people were not able to understand what is happening with this weird looking man in the first place. And why is he talking to the box? So finally, somebody built up the courage and went to him and asked, why are you speaking to the box? And he was like, because this box tells me secrets. And then things got very interesting, because a box that told you secrets is a box that everybody would want to have, right?
Yeah.
So what happened is that people started asking all questions like personal questions. What about this? What about that? Because they wanted to know all the secrets, right? That other people actually had kept from them. So, but he had one condition. He had one very big condition. He said that if you want to ask a question to the box, then you have to have a mustache. Otherwise, you can't. So right now, I don't think Narayan sir can ask a
I
question.
can't ask questions.
Because he doesn't have a mustache, but I do have a mustache. So
I can borrow your
yes, this quarantine mustache you have to buy.
quarantine mustache. Yeah.
So that is where our song comes in the story. This is a very beautiful song which I got to compose, and this is a song which comes when people ask him, why do we have to grow mustache? Like, what is so special about a mustache, right? And then this song comes. So can we have the song on the screen?
I'll tell you. Mustaches, add a little something to your face, a little class, a little style, a little bit of grace. Mustaches are fun and they make you one of a kind. A little thrill, a little joy, a little madness in your mind. Mustaches are full of life. They give you lots of color, a little strength, a little flair. Your life is a little fuller. Tiny ones like Chaplin had, that's the latest fad. Or pencil thin, like the Chinese, those are the ones that please. Straight or curly, small or burly, round or flat, thin or fat. Any way you like, but grow one. Any way you like, but grow one. Mustaches.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was such an
Wasn't that fun?
really fun. I've never heard a song about mustaches in my life.
So I got the pleasure because of Narayan sir only, that I got to compose a song, because otherwise where would I compose a song on mustaches, right?
Yeah.
So, but now I'm not going to let you go so easily, Narayan sir, because now you have to sing this song.
Okay.
And because Mustaki has sung this song, and Mustaki has a certain voice, so you have to first get the voice right before singing the song. Right?
Okay.
So you have to sing like this. First we sing sa, okay? And everybody who is listening to us, please sing. Okay? Sing this.
Ah!
No, no, no. Niche, niche.
Oh, Nietzsche.
It's a little
I'll go down. Okay, I'll go
No,
down.
not down, not down. Don't sit down. Sur down.
Okay.
Sur down. This is like a Padosan song. Chatur Narayan. Sing sa.
So, like that.
Now a little up on the sur. Sa.
Sa.
That is right. That is right. Okay. Now sing. Mustaches in your nose. Sing it in your nose.
With my nose. I can sing with my mouth.
Yeah, but you have to use your nose also. Like not just the nose, obviously, but also the nose.
Okay.
Don't like this. Can you talk like this? Everybody.
I'm going to use this.
Perfect. That is perfect. Children, if you have clothes,
Okay.
clothes drying somewhere, just go and bring a clip.
Okay.
Exactly. So now you can sing. Mustaches. Sing.
Oh, mustaches.
Very nice. I love it. You've got it. Now you just have to learn the song. Okay? Let's see. Now you have to go like a slide, okay? From down to up.
Okay.
Mustaches.
Mustaches.
Very nice. Now from up to down. Mustaches.
Mustaches.
That was fast. You have to come very slow. Mustaches.
Mustaches.
Yes, yes. I think we are like the warm up is good. And I think we should sing the whole song. Are you
Okay,
ready,
please.
Naren sir? And are
Yes.
you ready? The kids who are listening to this, and even their parents, actually, everybody can sing together. So this is the song about mustaches. Let's go. Mustaches. Add a little something to your face, a little class, a little style, a little bit of grace. Mustaches are fun and they make you one of a kind. A little thrill, a little joy, little madness in your mind. And then this kazoo comes.
Oh.
Then the next stanza. Tiny ones like Chaplin had. Everybody knows Charlie Chaplin, right? He had like small mustaches. So this
Yeah.
Mustaki is talking about Charlie Chaplin right now.
Okay.
Tiny ones like Chaplin had. That's the latest fad. Or pencil thin, like the Chinese. Those are the ones that please. Straight or curly, small or burly, round or flat, thin or fat, any way you like, but grow one. Any way you like, but grow one. Okay, the last one. Mustaches. Sing.
Mustaches.
Nice one.
Fantastic. So
Very nice,
beautiful.
guys.
So beautiful.
I had so much fun composing this song, and thank you to Narayan sir and Karadi for giving me the chance.
But what happened after that mustaches song?
Yes, yes, yes. So we'll proceed with the story now. So what happened is that everybody was like saying, "How can everybody grow mustaches?" Right? Like some people don't get mustaches, or how can women grow mustaches? But Mustaki was like, "No, this is my final thing that only people with mustaches can ask the question to the box. So if you have something that you really need to know, then you got to do this. Like what's the option that you have, right? So after that, Mustaki was like, now I have to leave because I have somewhere else to go. But next time I come, then everybody here in Nekgaon, I want whoever wants to ask a question, obviously, to have a mustache. So you guys figure out what to do now. But I need a mustache if
Oh,
you need to
okay.
ask the question. So after that, then what happens is what we'll come to know through a video. So can we have the next video on the screen?
Well, the time has come for me to leave. But we still have so many questions,
cried another lady. Mustaki shrugged.
Grow a mustache.
Picking his box up, Mustaki headed to the station. The entire village followed him. Men, women, children, and babies queued up. Come back soon, Mustaki! We'll be waiting! They called out.
I'll be back.
Mustaki promised.
And by then, if some of you have mustaches, you may talk to my box.
His laughter shook his little round body and his beard with many branches and his long mustache. Then, with his box singing the strange song again, he boarded the train and disappeared. From that day on, Nekgaon waited for Mustaki to return. And while the villagers waited, they grew mustaches. Real ones, fake ones, colored ones, shiny ones. Everyone sang Mustaki's mustache song. And there was even a proposal in the village committee to change its name from Nekgaon to Moochgaon. Mustaki never returned. But as the villagers waited for him, they slowly started revealing their secrets to one another. Once their secrets were out, the villagers saw no point in being perfect all the time. Life in Nekgaon today is as mad as Mustaki's mustaches.
Hello.
That was so beautiful. So Nekgaon became Moochgaon. Did it actually
Yes.
become Moochgaon?
Yes, Nekgaon became Moochgaon, and the people there started having more fun. Initially, they were like all good and doing things very, very properly. But they realized that it's more fun being weird, right? So,
Yeah.
Nekgaon to Moochgaon, the journey was beautiful.
It was such an amazing story, and Nihar, it was all the music and the kazoo and the songs and everything was like mesmerizing to say the least. And I'm seeing so many children here: Tara, Shaz, Vani, Pooja, and Sandhya, and so many children. And I'm sure all of you are also very interested in music. And I'm going to tell you a little secret that when Nihar was a little boy, when he was 7 or 8 years old, like many of you are right now, he used to sing for Karadi. And he sang a very beautiful song for a film, which I think will be, we can kind of close the session with that because very apt for this. I'm
Yes.
requesting Nihar to see. Okay, will you please sing that song that you sang for us? Thoda sa hai
It is my
intezar.
pleasure because it is one of the most beautiful songs that I have had the privilege to be a part of. And thank you to you especially because you have been my mentor and guide to me since then. It's a great pleasure to be working with me again on the team. And yeah, let's close with that song.
Yeah.
So before just closing, I just want to say that if anybody was inspired to do music today after watching, then please write down to Karidi, and if you have any questions regarding how to do it.
Yeah, and we have lots of sessions coming up. We have lots of stories coming up. We have storytelling time with Lavanya, with Kaushik, with Anuradha Sriram. We have lots of animated videos, and all of you have to tune in, okay, until this whole lockdown period, and tune in every day at Facebook at 5:30 p.m. And until then, we will enjoy Nihar's song that he sung so beautifully when he was like your age, like all of
Yes.
your age.
Let's do that. I'm going to sign off with my ukulele. This is a beautiful song from a film called Jajantarma Mantram, as you said. And it is actually very meaningful right now because we are in a lockdown and this song talks about something like that. So, yeah. थोड़ा सा है इंतजार पर आंखें जीत है अपनी हम अकेले नहीं साथ अपने प्रीत है अपनी हो गम काहे का करे किसी से हम क्यों डरे हौसला जब साथ है गम काहे का करे किसी से हम क्यों डरे हौसला जब साथ है Sing with me. झिरुम्बारे लारे जजंतरम मरुम्बारे लारे मंतरम मिल जाए यारो जब हम हो जाएंगे खत्म हो बूंदे भी मिल मिल के धारा यहाँ धारा बने सागर मिल जाए यारो जब हम गम हो जाएंगे खत्म हो
Wow. Thank you so much, Nihar. And we look forward to many more sessions from you for lots of the other stories that you have done for Karidi Tales. And all of you, my friends here, don't forget to tune in tomorrow at 5:30 for the animation video of the Chuhiram's Bargain. Until then, bye-bye. Bye-bye.